Welcome back to Primetime News. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is again hinting that COVID restrictions will soon be abandoned. Speaking at the St. Joseph's Hospital after receiving his booster shot today, Mr. Holness insisted that the vaccine continues to be the country's best shot at recovery from the pandemic. Citizens 18 years and older are eligible to receive their booster.
The booster, along with maintaining the protocols, even when the government lifts the rules, will help you to remain safe. So, a lot of persons who are still very skeptical of the vaccines, who see our positivity rate going down, and may take the view that this thing is over. It's not over. And the only way that the pandemic is going to end is when a large part of the population, globally and locally, has the natural or the acquired immunity through vaccination.
His wife, Member of Parliament for East Rural St. Andrew, Juliet Holness, also received her booster shot. As of February 18, 22,938 booster shots were administered.